Alright guys, I'm gonna do you a favor. There's some bacon wrap hot dog guys that literally have been here for decades. They are now down at Fisherman's Wharf. If you go down to Fisherman's Wharf, they're gonna charge you at least $10 to probably $12. I'm gonna go ask him how much his bacon wrap hot dogs are now. We'll go see. Alright, see you, have a good one. ¿Cuántos dólares?
7.
7? 7?
1.
7? Oh.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Just question. Alright guys, so they are now $7. It used to be like $4 or $5. Whoever is doing actual bacon wrapped hot dogs, because there used to be one on every block here in the Mission, they are making a racket. What's up, bud? Alright, we're gonna go down the wharf. The bacon wrap hot dogs are down there. I'm gonna ask them how much they are, just for a little tips and tricks of San Francisco. Turn this off really quick. ¿Cuántos dólares? It's in the Mission is 7. What's up guys? Just want to say hey. There you have it. 30% savings if you buy one in the Mission District. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.